Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to talk about the review 2023. So, in stock market. And first, generally, if a market falls so much for one or the other reason, the following year there will be a good rally. So, that is what we have seen in 2008 and 2020. The 2008 Lehman Brothers collapse, the markets crashed so much, but you look at 2009, Nifty has given one of the best returns. In fact, in 2009, when Congress came to power, Nifty shot up 20% in just one day and two circuit limit hit. I don't think that in the history of stock market in any country, the indices hit two upper circuits, 20% upside. So that is the story. Then come to 2020. The 2020 coronavirus came, so markets crashed again. During the Lehman Brothers collapse, Nifty crashed 50%. During coronavirus, Nifty crashed about 40%. But you have seen the following year, Nifty has given a fantastic return. In fact, one of my popular videos, I came out with a video sometimes late 2020. Nifty, which one will come first, 7,500 or 15,000? When I came out with this video, the Nifty was around 10,000. It was slightly less than 10,000. So I said Nifty will come to 15,000. So it came to 15,000. The reason is exactly the same. So because my experience in 2008. So that is what prompted me to come out with video. So second time that has come. Now, last year is also one of the worst year. And you know how many times we have seen war in this world. As far as I remember, in 1991, there was a war, America and Iraq. And after that, 2022, the direct war was broken between Russia and Ukraine. And then US has gone through hell lot of problems. And US inflation has shot up 9%. And people told me, some of my friends are paying 8.5%, 8.75% interest for their housing loan. So it has become a very huge problem, but markets did not fall much as Lehman Brothers collapse and coronavirus. But markets fell, let us say 20 to 25%. So when this has happened, the following year, the market has to do very well. So that was the basis why I gave an interview to Money Control saying that, Nifty is likely to hit 21,000 by the end of December 23. So in fact, it has even gone to 21,500. Okay, so this is the broader picture. Okay, sometimes you need to have some broader picture. What happened after that? The following year, that means my view for 2024, that I may come out with a separate video. So here we only talk about 2023. So 2023, if you are talking about traders' perspective, so started with a downtrend. The downtrend started sometimes in November 22, that spilled over to 23 initially. We can say that's a major downtrend. And Nifty has fallen more than 1,000 points. And markets bottomed out sometimes around the end of March. And then there was a very, very big up move. It was a very, very big move. Nifty went from around 16,800 to 18,200. So a fantastic rally and slow and steady rally. And then, it lasted for 3 to 4 months. Right? And then some profit booking came sometimes in late July. So there was some minor correction. Again minor uptick, again minor correction. So it was going on. And then once again the markets bottomed out the end of November. And December series is one of the best series in India in the recent history. And Nifty shot up more than 2,500 point in December series. I said already, Nifty is likely to make a move of 2000 to 2500 point in 1 year, but in December 1 month alone, so this 2500 point moved. So thanks to BJP winning three major state elections, and the Fed indicating the interest rate up cycle is over, so the down cycle may start. So that is the big thing. And right now, US markets are also at all-time high. So Indian markets are also at all-time high. So this is how this has happened. Now, first thing is that, why I'm coming out with this video, 2023 review. So that, based on this, we can project something for 2024, and accordingly we can position ourselves for 2024. So that is number one. Number two, earlier I used to be not bothered about all these things, okay, but now I'm inclined to more technicals. So I was just doing a back testing. So now if I had followed this particular technical analysis, how much profit I would have made, okay. So if I stick to my technical analysis, I would have made very good profit. Number one, I am not allowed to trade in Indian market since May 2023. Second thing, I was not fully convinced about the technical analysis. It's only recently I'm more inclined to technical analysis. So 2024, I'm planning to follow the technical very closely. I'm planning to take a higher risk based on the technical analysis. So probably I may come out with a small webinar sometime in the first week or second week of January. Some of the technicals which I'm following for positional technical analysis. I recently came out with a webinar, intraday technical analysis for option buying. So now I may come out with positional technical analysis, so for a longer term perspective for both buyers as well as sellers. So that is why it's necessary to analyze everything. And last year, I think all the trend has played out very, very well. And those who have followed technicals would have made a fantastic money. So wait for my next course sometimes in January. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.